Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from your Trust Wallet to XMO in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring tokens like a pro. Remember, crypto can be risky, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that your Shiba Inu tokens are safely stored there. If you're new to this, Trust Wallet is a popular, user-friendly app for managing cryptocurrencies. Now, open the app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Find the Shiba Inu token. It's usually listed under SHIB, and tap on it to view your balance. Next, head over to the XMO Exchange website or app. Log in to your XMO account and go to the deposit section. Select Shiba Inu from the list of available cryptocurrencies. XMO might require you to choose the correct network, like Ethereum, since SHIB runs on it. Once you're there, copy the deposit address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the right network to prevent your tokens from getting lost forever. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap the Send button for your SHIB tokens. Paste the XMO deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct, maybe even compare it character by character. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, but don't forget to leave enough for network fees. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. After you send it, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can depend on network congestion. Once it's done, check your XMO account to see if the SHIB has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Shiba Inu from Trust Wallet to XMO in 2025. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be all set. Remember, stay safe in the crypto world by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and keeping your private keys secure. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.